Okay, so it's apple season and I have 15,000 tons of apples I need to get rid of. So I thought I'd go ahead and make some applesauce. Everybody likes applesauce using my soapstone cauldron. So let's get to it. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the bowl over the fire. If I was doing this indoors, I put it on the coals. And I put a little bit of water in there. I do this right away so it heats up at the same time as the bowl to avoid thermal shock. And then a bunch of my apples from my apple tree, because I have so many. I have too many apples. Don't burn my fingers. Let this thing on. I'll just fill it up a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. I prefer doing this on the coals, not over the fire, but whatever. It's a cold day out today and I'm working outside. A little bit of butter, because homemade butter. Everybody likes butter. So does the fire. There we go. Butter in there. Great. I'm just going to let that cook now for a while. In about 10 minutes it'll start to boil and I'll just keep stirring it and you'll see how it goes. I'm going to turn the fire down. It's a little hot. I'm going to burn the... These are old oak fragments. There we go. Alright, let's just let that cook. Okie doke. It's been about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to call this good. Let's have a look. Stir it up. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is nice. See how it's starting to have a nice texture? So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to leave the bowl outside the fire because the soapstone will continue to cook here sitting on the wood. The soapstone will still be hot long enough to keep cooking while it's sitting here on the wood, and that'll let the soapstone cool down nicely too, but that piece is going to take too long. So yeah, that one too. I added 2 or 3 pieces later and they didn't quite cook. So let me go ahead and I'm just going to let this sit here on the wood for the last 5-6 minutes or so, just to not burn my wonderful applesauce. I'm back. Oh, I forgot to say, trick I found out is if you put a piece of wood there while it's cooling, the soapstone's temperature, because remember that's super mega hot, it won't heat up the handle so you can still touch the handle. Otherwise the handle will get hot, won't be comfortable. Looks like the sauce is done. Go ahead and stir it up. Serve up the sauce, serve up the sauce. And then, yeah, like I say, this is a great thing for if you got kids, because who wants to eat all those old grains and stuff? I don't know. Everybody loves applesauce. Just heat up some apples with a little bit of butter and some water. Alright, so another question I get a lot from people who buy my bowls is about maintenance and cleaning. Well, what I found is the best time to do it is right after you take this stuff out, because you'll notice the bowl is now still cooking the food on the edges, because it's still super hot inside. It's not cooling down like iron, so it won't get cooler for, oh, I have my graphics chart on that, but it won't get cool, let's say, for at least, gosh, half an hour, it'll still stay hot. So by giving a quick wipe down at this point, when everything is still fresh and not yet baked onto the surface, it makes maintenance a whole lot easier because you don't have to scrub. Just wipe it down. See? There. So ready for use next time. I'm just gonna, before you wipe it down, but see, so that's what you want to do to keep your bowls clean. And this is our wonderful applesauce. Yay! Alright, so I'm going to eat it now and then get back to work.